So here students, when you are converting higher units into lower units, you will always do multiplication. Like suppose you are asked to convert kilo. Let's take one basic unit, that is gram. So it is kilogram, this is hectogram, this is decagram, this is decigram, this is centigram, and this is milligram. Suppose you are asked to convert kilogram into hectogram. Kilogram into hectogram means you are moving from left side towards the right side. Conversion is kilogram is given to you and you are asked to convert kilogram into hectogram. That means you are moving from this side to this side. So you will always multiply it. If you are asked to convert hectogram into decagram, you will multiply by 10. You are asked to convert decagram into gram, multiply by 10. Gram into decigram, multiply by 10. In this way, you will always multiply by 10 when you are asked to convert higher unit into lower unit. Now, when vice versa, when you are asked to convert lower units into high units, you will divide by 1 upon 10. So here, if you are asked to convert milligram into centigram, so you will write 1 upon 10. Centigram into decigram, divide by 1 upon 10. 1 upon 10. I will make this concept more clear by solving some of the questions with you. So this is the basic format of learning how to convert these units. Suppose you are asked to convert 1 kilogram into grams. Suppose 5 kilogram is given to you and the question is convert 5 kilogram into grams. So how will you convert? You will simply multiply 5 kilogram by 1000. Why? Because we are skipping 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So 10 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 10 will become 1000. So you will multiply 5 by 1000. Why we are multiplying? Because we are converting higher units into lower units. It means from left side, if you are moving from left side towards the right side, so the units are going into lower direction. And when you are moving from right to left side, so units are moving in the increasing order. So in this way we will solve. So this you have to learn by heart, and this thing you can write in your maths notebook before starting your chapter. This will make you more clear, and with the help of this you can see this table again and again. As much as the practice you will have, you will be able to solve these sums directly. So this was the basic concept. Now I would like to explain you how you will convert. The basic thing is, the basic thing in your mind, it should be that if the unit in the question, if it is asked that you have to convert higher into lower, you will simply multiply. And if the question, if it is asked to convert lower unit into higher unit, you will divide. So how we will do this? Let's start.